Howdy folks, welcome to Homestead Kitchen Living this week. You know, lately I've been doing a lot of meal preparation, and that's important. You gotta eat right, you gotta eat healthy. But this week, I'm craving something sweet. I've had this before, I've bought it at the store and I really enjoy it. Caramel Flan, but I've never really done it homemade. So this week, the adventure's gonna be homemade caramel flan. You ready for the adventure? Come follow me along in this video. My God, what did you eat? Start with 3/4 of a cup of sugar, 1/4 of a cup of water. Turn the heat on to medium, and then stir, folks. I stir for about 5 or 6 minutes till it starts to caramelize. There you go, caramelized now. Pour the caramel into the bottom of your pie tin. Got to move pretty quickly because it sets up if you don't. There you go. Time for the custard, folks. Get a big bowl. 8-ounce block of room temperature Philadelphia cream cheese. Give that a little stir. And then 1 egg, 2 eggs, 3 eggs, 4 eggs, can of sweetened condensed milk. Get in there, milk. 1 can of evaporated milk, teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that all together. Pour the custard into the pie tin. We're going to set that into that aluminum tray there. I'm going to put about 1/2 inch of water into that aluminum tray so we can have a water bath as we're cooking it. Close that up. 60 minutes at 350 degrees. There you go, folks. Fresh out of the oven. Set that aside. Pull the caramel flan out of the hot water. Let it cool off a bit. Dump the water. Put the flan in the fridge for about an hour. Turn it upside down. Look at that, folks. Beautiful. Check out that custardy texture. Pour it out onto the pie plate. Oh, I lost a piece. That's okay. I glued it back on. Check that out, folks. Oh yeah. This is definitely a recipe you want to put a star next to. It's really good. And it's surprisingly simple to make. You gotta try it. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you enjoyed watching as much as I've enjoyed making it. Thanks for sharing and being part of my life. You know the drill. When the going gets tough, it's tough to find something to eat. Best way to do that, cook it yourself. Homestead Kitchen Living. Making cooking fun again. Please remember to like, subscribe, share it with a friend. And definitely, go with Jesus. You can't go wrong. We'll see you next week.